Hello, my fifth grade mathematicians. How are you? I just wanted to show you how to get on the Kakuma website so you could practice your fluency. So the first thing is you're going to go to gregtangmath.com/Kakuma, but the link is right below. And you will see where it says practice, play, and compete. Feel free to hit the play, feel free to hit the compete where you can go against other people. But if you just want to practice, go ahead and hit the practice. Then you'll select the difficulty. I like to choose addition. Go ahead and pick the hexagon or even the square. And then you can select the rainy day for more difficult, the sunny day for less difficult. And you can hit the start the game. Remember, each hexagon is its own puzzle. So you can practice that. And so you have to figure out which two numbers in here add up to equal a third number. So this is a puzzle, this is a puzzle, this is one, this is one, this is one, and this is one. So all you have to do, like this is 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, so you just click on the 5, and that will turn into a 5. In the end, you will have one more puzzle to complete, and then you will get the final answer to your puzzle. All right, well, I hope that you have fun doing your Kakuma puzzles, which is going to be practicing your fluency. Have a great day.